Porsche had a liquid-cooled, inline, 4-cylinder engine in the front of the car rather than the traditional air-cooled boxer engine behind the driver. This is great for people who like Porsche, but are afraid of the maintenance on a more traditional model. This was considered a budget model when it was new, and that's still true today in the used market. Bel Airs were formidable muscle cars through 1970. The fun of Bel Airs is the multitude of configurations. They could be had as coupes, sedans, 4-door station wagons, 2-door shooting brakes, and even convertibles. In classic American fashion, they had a list of different V8s available under the hood. Some model years and configurations are very valuable, fetching high prices at auctions. However, some of the more common models are going on the cheap. The Dodge Charger is synonymous with American muscle. It was based on the intermediate-sized Dodge Coronet, but available only as a fastback coupe. While most of us think of it as a muscle car, the original idea of the Charger was a personal luxury car similar to the Buick Riviera, or Ford Thunderbird. The more desirable versions of the car are rare and valuable, but if you're willing to settle for the classic Mopar look, that's not built for burnouts and drag racing, you can find an affordable classic in the Charger. This version of the classic Mercedes SL Class is right in the sweet spot of affordability right now. It was available as a soft-top convertible, removable hardtop, or you could get the C107, which was the same car as a coupe with a fixed roof. The United States was the biggest market for these cars, with over half of them being sold here. Their American popularity, and lengthy 18-year production run, make them fairly easy to find for sale at reasonable prices. The Chevy Camaro is the crosstown rival to the Ford Mustang. The current 6th generation Camaro is arguably the best one ever made, but there is a lot to be desired in the classics. Camaros are fun to shop for, because you can decide on just about any budget and you can find a Camaro that fits in that price range. Get a V8 if you want to go fast, or get a V6 if you just want to look cool. If you're looking for a more hyperbolic look, the Camaro has a stablemate that just might be perfect for you.